In previous episode of Dreamteam.
What was that about?
I don't know, but did you see his eyes?
His eyes?
Help! Somebody's trying to break into the bank.
You're right. Laser beam coming up. See? I did it again.
Did you hear that sound before he drove off? Let's head back and tell Bill about the sound.
Or we could just chase him down and be done with it.
Believe me, John, there's something up.
Fine.
To the right. That's too much. A bit to the left. Now it's crooked. You're doing it all wrong.
Then come on and do it yourself if you think you can do it better.
Yeah, why don't I? Move aside, John.
Leave me alone.
It's lucky there are no other super creatures around. I'm not sure we could handle the competition.
All done.
Great! With this camera, we can see everything that happens at the bank.
Yes, from a slightly crooked perspective.
Hey, what do you think you're doing? Come back here this instant or I'm calling the Dream Team! Hello? Dream Team? We have an emergency here at the hardware store. A garbage truck is... Ouch! What are you doing?
Camera duty. I have to watch the most boring show in the world where nothing ever happens.
Hello?
Hello? Dream Team?
Yes, it's us.
We have an emergency here at the hardware store. A garbage truck is...
What?
Ouch!
A garbage truck?
What are you...
Hey, sir, are you there? What happened?
What is our friend the garbage truck up to now?
I don't know. The caller stopped talking. Go to the hardware store right now. Something's wrong over there.
Finally, something to do. Let's go, Emma. That's strange. Nobody's here. But I can see there's been a fight over here.
Really? You think so? You're such a detective.
All right, Miss Smarty Pants. I was just thinking out loud. Let's get back to base. There's no one here.
Wow, another great find, detective. With this pace, we might solve the case this century.
Shut it, my dear Watson. Let's get back to base.
Destroying the city. I think it's a job, Bob. Supercar! Dun, dun, dun. How could we stop him? Oh, I know! Shot! I'll get you! Ah! Ah! We stopped the dinosaur! Let's go on our next adventure!
Which one do you think looks better? The pink one or the one I have on?
The one that hides your face more.
Jerk.
Hey, you asked for it.
Guys, turn on the news.
Let's go.
I will research dinosaur behavior to find a cause for this action. When I find the solution, I'm going to message you immediately.
Are you ready? Oh no. Do you need anything? Should I get you back home? Is everything all right?
Look at its leg. Do you see that? I think that's a splinter maybe. That's why he's so mad.
I think so. Stay here, John. I'll take care of it.
Did we get him?
We got him. Let's get you back home. Isn't it wonderful here? Look at all the pretty flowers.
Well, it is pretty boring.
Oh, come on, it's not that bad. Let's go see the new statue. That's why we're here anyway.
Yeah, sure. I want to see if they got my face right.
If you want to go see your face, just look at that trash can. It looks exactly like you.
Look there. You see that?
Dreamteam can get here any minute now. Let's hurry now, lads.
What should we do?
I got this.
Speak of the devil. Keep going, chaps. I'll take care of it. Blast! Forgot about those rays. Never mind. Go get them.
Let's go. Can you get a clear shot?
No, there are too many people. Emma! Emma, are you okay?
The trash smells better than your breath.
Is it really that bad?
Told you. Did he get away?
Yes, but I got the tracking beacon on the statue.